It's been a long time since I was dancing because of the baby, so ooh. We wait a few more minutes, maybe 2 minutes, so we can start. Okay, I have 2 tracks for you, so I hope this will be fun. I think so. We'll make it good. Yeah, the first one I will just start because it don't need no explanation. The second one is a little bit more difficult, so I will explain just a little bit. But the main thing is to have positive vibes and feel the music, so we don't need too much talking. We just want to dance. How are you guys? Are you feeling good? Are you ready for a little bit of dancing? This was my daughter. Da 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 da. She wants to talk to. Ooh. So the first song will be, my students know it already. We're gonna do the new Lingua. It's the first song, just a party song to dance along and have fun. And yeah, the second one is, yeah, it's also a party song, so it will be nice. So, are you guys ready? Say something, are you ready? Hey, Sally. Hi, Maria. So, let's start. No linga, 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 no linga. Dancing style all up the exit like dinga, ding dong. Come we show them fi do the no linga. Sweep your foot to the right and snap your finger. No linga. And the arms. Dancing style all up the exit like dinga. Come we show them fi do the no linga. Sweep your foot to the left and snap your finger. All the girl them way up on the feet and wind down window. What man a dance, we don't want to no hinder. Girl a good, we want to know we be ready to linger. So we step to window. Everybody agree. From the kick them to the dancer to the top them in the street. Move your foot them to the left and to the right, nobody cheat. Watch your one to them and mix the linger with the gully creep. Didn't say any, oh it's so simple. So them a music style all up the exit like dinga. Ding dong, come we show them we do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the right and snap your finger. Feel it! Walk it in. Willie Bones. Was it loud enough? Yeah. Oh, it's already warm for me. So, was it good? How was the volume? So, now we have the second track.
it's a little bit more difficult, so I will explain a little bit. The first step is called placement, and it starts like this. We have to jump and twist, okay? Again, jump and twist. It's pretty easy, so I'll explain it again. Jump and twist. Slide, slide, and again. 1, 2, 3, slide, slide, and again. Slide, slide, jump and twist. 1, 2, 3, slide, slide. Again. Slide, slide. The next step, I forgot the name, but I know the step, that's good. So, we continue with our left leg. Go to the front with a right back. Front, back. Front, back. Front, back. Let's add the arms. Front, back. Front, back. Front, back. And when we go back forward with the right foot, we imagine we have a step and we pull us over the step. It's like that. 1, back, pull. Okay? 1, back, pull. Again, to the front, to the back, and pull. With one arm to the back, both back. Front, back, pull. 1, 2. Again. Woo! Again. The baby's laughing. She's always laughing when I'm dancing. Hello, Kate. So, okay, we're gonna repeat the both steps, starting with placement. Jump and twist. 1 and 2, 5, 6, 7, again. Next step, to the front, pull over, back, again. Yay! And the chorus will be easy, will be like this. Just feel it. And chill zone, to the front, back, and cool. Stay like this. Chill zone, to the front, to the back, and be cool. Again. Chill zone, cool. From the top. Boom, boom, boom. Chill zone. The next step, I don't know the name either, so I'll just show it to you. This one, you know it already. Feel yourself. Down, boom. Down, boom. Down, boom. Down, down. Back and forth. 1, 2. Dup, dup, dup. Dup, dup, dup. Dup, dup, dup. Everything's fine? Yeah. How are you guys doing? Everyone's good? Can you follow? Okay, I guess it means yay. Okay. Let's repeat it from the top again. 5, 6, 7, hup. To the front. Pull yourself over. Chill zone. Choo, 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 choo. Again. Back and forth. And the last one, tsunami rock. Da, da, da. Give me some feeling. Choo, choo, choo. Yeah, we're done. Everything good? So let's start this one again from the top and then with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. One arm, two arms. Hey! Chill zone. Up. Again. Back and forth. Tsunami rock. Hey, hey. Ow! We're done. So, are you ready for the music? Yeah? Baby's ready? Are you guys ready? Don't forget to drink. Oh. Are you ready, guys? Ready? Nicolas, ready. That's good. Ready, ready. Okay. Then let's go with the music. Five, 6, 7, hop. To the front. From the top. Again. From the top. Up, up. Top. Again. Again.
100% real when you see me in a better class. 100% real when my dogs and my brother them a class. 100% real and nothing when you wear on a car. 100% real when you lay a car something with my car. Change.
Woo!
No linger, no linger, no linger, no linger, no linger, no linger, no linger.
Yay, how are you? You might want to do it one more time, both choreos. Let me know. The baby's enjoying it, so I have a few more minutes. Okay, so we start again with Lingua. Lingua.
No linger, ding, no linger, 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 no linger. Dancing style all up the exit like ding dong, ding dong. Come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the right and snap your finger. No linger, no linger. Dancing style all up the exit like ding dong. Come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the left and snap your finger.
What he did?
And the girl them way up on the fear wine down window. But man a dance, we don't want to no hinder. Girl a good, we want to know we be when we a linger. So we step to
Willie
the
Bob.
everybody agree. From the kick them to the dancer to the top them in the street. Move your foot them to the left and to the right, no matter cheat. Watch your bun till them a mix the linger with the gully creep. Ding say Eddie, oh it's so famous when them a creep. Start all up the exit like ding dong, ding dong. Come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the right and snap your finger.
No linger, no linger. Ow! Energy! Ah!
Everybody do the no linger. So you do the no linger. So you do the no linger. So you do the no linger.
Ow!
No linger Sunday. Now stop linger all night till it's done day. We the one we take it going up on Monday. See the girl them a broke out a wine and a go down there. Make everybody like come let's dance in style.
Feeling! Ow! Ow! No linger. Yay! 5, 6, 7, hop! Hop, hop!
And we not sell out, 'cause we no vendor.
Chorus.
100% Kingston to my beer. And the African to your gold century. World USA is everywhere. Canada to the UK is everywhere. Caribbean, we say Asia. Australia to the motherland, most everywhere. Whole of Europe, most everywhere. UAE.
Again.
100% free. When you see me in a better class. 100% free. With my dogs and my brother in my class. 100% free. Like nothing when you wear in a car. 100% free. When you leave car, something with my car. Me not change.
Woo!
No linger, ding, no linger, no linger, no linger, no linger.
So, we're done. How you feeling? How is everybody? Tay, 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 tay. Tay, 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 tay. Tay, 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 tay. Okay, so we're done for today. Tay, 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 tay. Tay, 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 tay. So thank you very much for joining. And I hope to see you guys soon. Yeah, baby's here. She's enjoying the dancing. So thank you. Have a nice weekend.